Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be learning 50 essential Japanese phrases that will help you in everyday situations. These phrases will boost your ability to understand and speak Japanese in various contexts. Ready to take your Japanese to the next level? Let's get started. Konnichiwa. Hello. O genki desu ka? How are you? Hi, genki desu. Yes, I'm good. Genki di wa arimasen no, I'm not feeling well. Onamaiwanan desu ka? What is your name? Yoroshiko onegaishimasu. Nice to meet you or please take care of it. Sumimasen. Excuse me or I'm sorry. Hi. Yes. Ew. No doko desu ka? Where is it? Toerwa doko desu ka? Where is the bathroom? Koro kudasai, please give me this. Ikura desu ka? How much is it? Nihongo ga sukoshi hanasemasu. I can speak a little Japanese. Nihongo o benkyou shitimasu. I'm studying Japanese. Wakarimasen. I don't understand. Moto yukuri hanashite kudasai. Please speak more slowly. Sumimasen, eigo ga hanasemasu ka? Excuse me, do you speak English? Tasukete kudasai. Please help me. Doko di kaimono ga dikimasu ka? Where can shop? Koko di shokuji ga dikimasu ka? Can I eat here? Kono chikako ni restoran wa arimasu ka? Is there a restaurant near here? Kore o na oshite moraimasu ka? Can you fix this? Da oshitara lai desu ka? What should I do? Anatawa doko karakimashita ka? Where are you from? Watashi wa Japan karakimashita. I'm from Japan. Kore wa nan desu ka? What is this? Sorwa, object, desu. It's object. Wangeishimasu. Please. Sumimasen, michi ni mayoi mashita. Excuse me, I'm lost. Koko karadono kurai kakarimasu ka? How long does it take from here? Isho ni ikimasen ka? Would you like to go with me? Nanji desu ka? What time is it? Kyuno tenki wa daw desu ka? How is the weather today? Korwa deijobu desu ka? Is this okay? Wakarimashita. I understand. Mauichido it kudasai. Please say it again. Doko ni ikeba ai desu ka? Where should I go? Nanikatasok ga hitsuyu desu ka? Do you need help with something? Anata no na maiwanan desu ka? What is your name? Oidikait reshi desu. I'm happy to meet you. Hi, sukoshi date. Yes, just a little. Sorwa omoshiroi desun. That's interesting. Dono yun ni ikeba ai desu ka? How do I get there? Koko wa dauyat ikeba ai desu ka? How do I get to this place? Mau osoy desu. It's late now. Watashi wa gogo juichiji sanjupu nito chakushimasu. I will arrive at 11:30 minuto. Nanikashitsumon wa arimasu ka? Do you have any questions? Hi, arimasu. Yes, I do. Sordi wa shichirishimasu. Well then, I'll take my leave. Ochokaresama deshita. Good job or well done, often used after work. Fantastic! You've just learned 50 more essential Japanese phrases for everyday conversations. Keep practicing these phrases to improve your Japanese and communicate more effectively. For more interactive lessons and engaging content, visit AirLearn through the link in the description. Good luck with your learning journey and see you soon.